What's up guys, my name is Dylan with Pinky's Iron Doors, and today we're going to be showcasing our screen, how it works, how it looks, and the benefits of it. So to make it quick, the screen is purely for keeping the bugs out if you want to open your window and having a breeze come through. So it's a removable bug screen. You get these with a custom order with us. And a lot of people ask, do you have to keep it on your door? No, if you don't like the screen, you can take it off and store it in the closet for the rest of your life. It really does not matter. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to put it on and to take it off. Put on the magnets, so you're just going to insert the bottom first. Put it in, that's it. It goes in that easy, so remove it, push it out from the other side, and it removes, just like that. So that's our screen. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to call us at 844-843-6677, or you can email us at info@pinkiesIrondoors.com. Thank you.